In this section, apart from modeling, we want to focus on the functionality and animation tricks we used. The animations are done entirely frame by frame. For example, using modifiers. Frame-by-frame movement on models is possible. The balls move on a glass conveyor belt and the belts rotate. I used only the cloth simulator for the cloth model of the balls and used collision for the interaction of the cloth with the balls. I modeled a simple robotic arm and moved it along the Y and X axes, placing keyframes on the animation timeline as needed. For compressing the ball by the robotic arm, I used shape keys in the next section to make it more realistic and deformable. For instance, this means the robotic arm moves the ball in the scene, and finally, I used bones for the eyes movement. At the end, I used the camera focus to emphasize the subject, giving the animation a nice touch, and recorded all the steps. By the way, I almost forgot to mention that I used keyframe colors in the material section to color the ball in dynamic paint for the liquid inside the bucket. I will provide tutorials on all these aspects in future videos separately. Thanks to all my dear friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and your feedback is very valuable to me. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think of the video. I eagerly read and respond to all your comments. Asterisk.